So this was our surprise on the farm this week. We have 8 new little piglets. She was a month and a half past when we thought she was going to be due. And so we did not think she was going to be giving birth. So she gave birth to a total of 11. 3 got crushed because we had her in the other pen with Big Boy, because again, we didn't think she was pregnant. So as soon as I came out in the morning, on Sunday morning, I saw the piglets, so we had to hurry up and get her back over here into this makeshift, what do you call it, area? Brooding? Not brooding. But anyways, so she, on Sunday she had 9, and then on farrowing, that's the word I was looking for, farrowing area. On Sunday she had 7 that lived, and then Monday we came out and there was 8. So I don't know how that works. She had passed the afterbirth and all that, but then that tiny little one, you can see it's got its butt to us right now. That tiny little runt was the extra one the next day. So we had picked them up and moved them ourselves. So we knew there was 7 and 3 had died. We removed the 3 and then we came out here on Monday and there was 8. So now we got 8 little piggies. She's being a good mama. First time. We thought maybe there was something wrong with her, but it all worked out.